Hello everyone, let's take a quick look at ServiceFolder.com. It's a field service management software. Now this will reduce a lot of your office personnel required time dealing with the field technicians and customers. It reduces phone calls, paperwork, messages, all sorts of time-consuming communications, and it automates the entire process. The office staff fills out the form. The field technician ends up with his smart device. His mobile device has all of the information here on it that he's going to need to just drive to the location and take care of the customer's needs. As you can see, there's more information here about scheduling, client communication, invoices, quotes, job notes, all sorts of information that's included in the application. Now, the best part is that you can try it for free. Right up here at the top right hand side, start free. You get 3 users with your trial. All you do is you enter the email address and it takes you over to the next page, which includes creating a password for yourself, and then boom, you're into the program. It takes about 30 seconds for the whole process. Check it out today if you want. ServiceFolder.com. This will save your office a lot of time and money.